Hi everyone, this is It's Fit Beauty Care, and today I'll be telling you about the affordable skincare products you can get just as a beginner. You don't need to break the bank nor steal from your bank or use your whole life savings just to look good. Now, the first thing you have to do as a beginner or as someone who wants to achieve a great skincare, exfoliation should actually be the first thing for anyone who wants to achieve a great skincare. We deals with the removal of dead skin cells from the body, though the skin renews itself and produces a new skin cell every 30 days. That's why after exfoliation, after applying any topical product like skincare product, whether face or body cream, you tend to start noticing a drastic change within a month. Though you start noticing some changes for like 2 weeks, but a month it becomes so obvious and you start noticing a drastic change. So for exfoliating agents, you can make your own made products. Maybe in my next video, I'll be dropping video now to make an homemade products. In order to receive a notification anytime I post a video, kindly click on the bell icon below so you get a notification anytime I post. However, I know that most facial scrubs can be used for the body, but not all body scrubs can be used for the face. Those that are light in weight and less grainy are always used for the face to ensure a very smooth exfoliation and to prevent injury. Now, ensure you exfoliate your skin 2 to 3 times a week, depending on your skin type. For an oily skin, 3 times a week. For dry combination skin, 2 times a week. If you do not want to make homemade scrub, I will leave the description of the scrub you should use below this video. For the body, you can use cool spa salt scrub baths. This particular scrub contains salt which can burn the face. The price is about $4-5 in the market. Note, it shouldn't be applied on your face. Now, in case you don't want to get a face scrub separate from a body scrub, I would advise you to use Dove body scrub, which can be applied on the face and on the body. The reason why I'm saying it can be applied on the face and body, it's actually lightweight and smooth. It's less grainy. Then the second is our cleanser. You can use simple face wash which contains provitamin B5, vitamin E, and cocoamidopropyl betaine. Then glycerin. It doesn't contain any harsh ingredient like salicylic acid, so you can use it. Anyone can use it. Oily skin, dry skin, combination skin, normal skin can use it. That's why I call it affordable skincare. The third is the moisturizer. You can use Palmer cocoa butter. Though it can be applied on your face, but if you have an oily, acne-prone skin, run away from this. Or a combination skin, run away from this because it has cocoa butter, cocoa powder. They use cocoa powder in producing it and it clogs the pores. Now, for those with oily skin or combination skin, this is body cream I would advise you to use. It's affordable and it's good. It can be applied on the face. Do not mind the label that it writes body lotion. It can also be applied on the face because it contains ingredients that are also good for the face, one acne prone skin and the combination skin. Now, the name of the body cream, it's egg yolk extract cream. They have varieties. What was posted up is what you should get. It's that is the only trusted brand. That is the only trusted combination. Do not buy any other color of cream except this particular egg yolk extra cream. It's good and great. It's soothing and relaxing. It helps maintain the complexion. Now, the last is sunscreen. Now, many of us are guilty of this. If I apply sunscreen, I will start sweating. If I apply sunscreen, my face will be oily. If I apply sunscreen, it will leave a white cast on my face. But there's a story I want to tell you, the happiest truth. And the happiest truth is that, do you know there are actually sunscreens that are actually lightweight? If you don't know, I'm telling you now. An example is Aqua sunscreen, and it's good for all skin type. Not only does it prevent harmful UV rays from entering your face, from destroying your face, it also glows your face. At least you start seeing difference in your skin color in your face. As in, it helps in glowing that face of yours. It hydrates your face. It just like, you know, when you apply collagen on your skin, that's what happens. It makes your face hydrating in nature. Now, if you're applying sunscreen, apply sunscreen 3 times a day, especially when you move out in the sun. You don't want to say you want to apply sunscreen just now and it will be only once a day. It won't work. Your face will be spoil. When I mean by spoil, I'm not saying your face will scatter, meaning you come up with acne and all sorts of hyperpigmentation, especially if you have an acne prone skin. So you won't want to try using your sunscreen only once a day, especially when you move out of the sun. 3 times daily. In my next video, I might be talking about how to know your skin type and products you should apply and not apply on your face. So in order to get notified, so that you won't come and say, oh, you didn't see my video, hit the subscribe button to get notified when I post my next video. See you in my next video. Bye.